Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 7th chapter. But students, in the previous video already I have told that how to do that factorization by that grouping and arranging orders. Okay, but students, today we are going to discuss about that, and special factorization method is very important for higher classes. Okay students, that is factorization of quadratic polynomial in one variable. So first of all we have to understand about that what is the quadratic polynomial. Quadratic means what? Quad means 2. Okay, quadratic means we have to understand that is quadratic polynomial means the degree of the polynomial is 2. Okay, quadratic means the degree of the polynomial is 2. That is called as quadratic polynomial. And how that with having one variable, and such quadratic polynomials contain also one variable. So in that polynomial or that problems, how we have to solve or how can we will do that factorization, we have to understand by this way, this video. Okay, so let us see. First of all, I have given that one example. Factorize the following. Okay, first question, x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay, first question we can solve first, friends. A x square plus 5x plus 6. So students, what is this? Let this one quadratic polynomial and having the variable only one, that is x. Okay, in these cases what you have to do, how can we do that factorization? So let us see students, here in the term of this is 5, a coefficient of x and a constant part 6, that you have to remember. And let us see that these two terms, observe carefully, coefficient of x and a constant term. So this 5 we can write as a p plus q. So let p plus q is equal to 5. Did you understand, friends? This is p plus q and same as it, and this one we can write it p into q is equal to 6. ठीक है? Did you understand, students? मतलब कौन सा दो नंबर को ऐड करके तो वो आएगा और सेम दो नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करके तो वो 6 आएगा. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हमें एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस कौन सा दो नंबर को ऐड करके तो 5 आएगा. इफ रफली वी कैन सी, सो 1 प्लस 4 इज इक्वल टू 5, 2 प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू 5. ओके, सो दिस इज टू थिंग्स वी गॉट. बट कौन सा दो नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करके तो भी 6 होना है. 1 into 4 is equal to 4, or 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So this term is getting, yes. So दो नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करके ऐड करके तो 5 आ रहे हैं और दो टर्म को मल्टीप्लाई करके तो 6 आ रहे हैं. वो सेम two things. So which p and q, here p is equal to 2 and q is 3 is equal to q. So we are the same things. So we can write this p plus q is equal to 5. So p plus q मतलब 2 plus 3. We can break it 2 plus 3 into x plus this you can write 2 into 3. Did you understand, friends? मैं क्या करा, ये 5 को स्प्लिट कर दिया, मतलब ब्रेक कर दिया. ब्रेक करके क्या करा, 2 plus 3. क्यों ऐसा 1 plus 5 नहीं करा? क्योंकि 1 into 4 is equal to 4 but not 6. So this second one 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 and 2 into 3 is equal to 6. ऐसा होना है, ठीक है. So इसलिए 2 plus 3 ये what is this, how like I have written this one also same written, but only sign change. This is plus sign and this is multiplication sign. Okay, operation is different. So now x square plus multiply 2x plus 3x plus 2 into 3. मैं क्या करा, 2 को x लिख दिया, 3 को x मत लिख के ऐसा बना 2x 3x. That means indirectly we can write this, मतलब 5x को 2x and 3x कर दिया, ठीक है. और क्या होगा, इक्वल टू, अभी क्या करना है, ये ग्रुप कर दो, इसको ग्रुप कर दो, ठीक है. हमें x कॉमन ले सकते हैं क्योंकि इधर x into x, इधर 2 into x, x कॉमन लेंगे तो ये दोनों से इधर रखेंगे क्या, whatever it is x, and here it will be stay 2 plus here 3 into x, in this में 2 into 3, so 3 कॉमन ले जाएंगे. इधर 3 है, इधर 3 है, 3 कॉमन if you take, what is that remain, x plus इधर 2 is there. So now इधर x plus 2 is common, इधर x plus 2, so इधर x plus 2 आज कॉमन. So next what is that remain, x here and here remain 3 there. So this is our factor. Did you understand, friends? So I hope you have to understand about that. And next again one more example I can help you. B x square minus 3x minus 10. Okay students, now we can make it the solution. X square minus 3x minus 10. So whatever it is, now p plus q is equal to minus 3 and p into q is equal to minus 10. So कौन सा टू टर्म को मल्टीप्लाई करके तो माइनस 10 आ रहे हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू सी ऑब्जर्व हियर, कौन सा दो नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करके तो माइनस 10 आ रहे हैं ना. दैट मीन्स वन नंबर शुड बी माइनस. ओके, सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू फर्स्ट, वी कैन राइट इट 1 into 10 is equal to 10 and 2 into 10 is equal to 2 into 5 is equal to 10. so वही दो टर्म ही होगा. ठीक है, तो अभी ऑब्जर्व करो, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 आ रहे. ठीक है, तो हमें ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. तो बड़ा नंबर क्योंकि माइनस, ड्यू टू माइनस द बिग नंबर यू हैव टू कीप द माइनस. सो व्हाट वी कैन राइट इट, x स्क्वायर माइनस, उसको लिखेंगे 5x and next minus plus 2x minus 10. ठीक है, क्या करा, ये 10 को ब्रेक करना जरूरी नहीं, लिखेगा तो लिखो, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं, नहीं तो जरूरी नहीं, और डायरेक्ट कॉमन में ले सकते. तो एक माइनस 3 उसको हम स्प्लिट कर दिया. क्या स्प्लिट किया, माइनस 5x प्लस 2x, दिस इज इक्वल टू 5 माइनस 3x. क्यों, 5 माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 3x. ओके, did you understand or not? This minus 3x is equal to minus 5x plus 2x. ऐसा, ठीक है. सो क्या करना है, we have to take the common x. ये दोनों को लेना है, ये दोनों को लेना है. तो x if you take the common, x over means out x, here minus 5 over हो गया. This 2 को में plus, इधर plus means plus 2 common लेंगे क्योंकि 2 into 5 है, इधर 2 है, तो x minus 5 है. Here x minus 5 common take, here x plus 2 as a common. So this is our answer. Okay students, I hope you have understand about that. And for your homework, exercise 7.4 you have to do in your homework. Okay, thank you all of you, have a nice day.